Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Spending money is much more difficult than making money. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. You should learn from your competitor, but never copy. Copy and you die. When I am myself, I am happy and have a good result. The very important thing you should have is patience. I don't want to be liked. I want to be respected. A peace talk is always difficult, always complicated. The world needs new leadership, but the new leadership is about working together. A trade war would be a disaster for the world. It's very easy to slip into a trade war. A startup for entrepreneurs is like a baby, and I have 5 babies so far, experienced father. As a business person, I want the world to share the prosperity together. The American multinational companies made millions and millions of dollars from globalization. Today the financial market is no good, but the money is there. I respect Apple. It's a great company that changed the world, especially the mobile time. Our philosophy is, using internet technology, we can make every company become Amazon. Alibaba is an ecosystem that helps small business to grow. If you don't give up, you still have a chance to win. Giving up is a great failure. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, Jossan quotes.